Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So originally I planned to unbox some Johnny Lightning this week, but I moved it to next week because hope you guys before I show you this, I hope you saw the shots which I posted. Like I think 30 minutes before. So with that said, I'm just going to unbox that set this week because as you guys know, I am a diehard fan of Spider-Man. So this is the first time I actually bought the entire Spider-Man set in India. So before this, I did buy one Spider-Man that's actually I think stock Ford Mustang something it came in. I think around 2022, 2023 around that time. So I didn't unbox it. It is still in my Spider-Man box. So I thought, okay, let's buy this entire set and unbox. So okay, so with that said, this is the first one in that set. Okay, one more thing. So one of my good friend Lee, who's actually waiting for me to unbox some Johnny Lightning. This is for you, bro. Next week I am going to unbox Johnny Lightning. That is just for you, to be very honest. So I do want to unbox Johnny Lightning, but a lot of people actually just want to see Hot Wheels, to be very honest. But just because of you asked me, so I'm going to unbox it this coming week. Already kept couple, I think 4 or 5 aside. So stay tuned for that. Okay, with that said, so let's move on to the next one. Here's the second one. So this one actually looks cool. See, personally, I only love Spider-Man. I mean, I'm talking about the OG Peter Parker, not nobody else. Maybe apart from that, I do like some characters like 2019 and Spider-Man Noir and Spider-Punk as well. So unfortunately, we don't have any of those things here. So this is actually based on the Disney series which uh, came I think a year back or so. I mean, before this Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man came. So this is based on that particular set. Even all this recent Spider-Man stuff which came out, so those are actually based out of that particular series. Even the costume, it is based on that particular series. Let me show you that one in a minute. I mean that particular Spider-Man costume in a minute. See, this car actually looks cool. See, all this entire set is actually a fantasy. Nothing is actually a real car. So yeah, this is Scorpion. I don't know why they included Scorpion. There are a lot of other villains actually. Fished and chipped. Okay, let me show you this. So this one is okay. The combat medic again. This is also fantasy. So when I'm talking about the costume, you can see this belt here. It doesn't actually join with this midriff here. So if you are in general a fan of Spider-Man, you will easily remember that this midriff actually joins with the belt here. Let me show you. Here it is. I actually keep this I actually keep Spider-Man everywhere wherever I am. So you can see the belt joins here, but if you see this new version, you can't see that. And another thing is his sole is actually blue, and on top of that the socks which he is wearing, so that is of a different design. Here you can see it has a small cut here which is not fully covering his calf muscles. So you can see in this chest piece here that covers fully. So this is the classic suit which I am having here in this chest piece. So let me just put this aside. Okay, so last but not least, in this week we are going to unbox this. So when this came, a lot of people are actually hyping this because that uh, the Porsche which came early on, and after this came, and I actually saw multiples of this. So no one even touched this. So I actually bought two for myself because I personally loved this because it does look like the Countach. So I don't know if this is actually the Countach and they modified it. I do have the Cyberpunk Countach with me, which I bought very recently. Maybe I will be unboxing that soon, along with some other premiums. So this looked similar to that one, so I bought it, and the detailing on this looked a bit good. So I wanted to unbox this, and someone was asking me to unbox this some long back. I mean, when this actually launched. So I mean, again, I bought all this for MRP only. So the Silver Line series 299 each, and this one 549. Yeah, 549. So yeah, this came around August of 2025. You can see here. August and September, I think it was imported. Okay. Okay, guys, with that said, I don't want to take much of your time. So, this is what we are going to unbox this week. So, stay tuned and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.